Hey fellow crypto enthusiast, welcome to today's quick trend analysis. Let's get started. Today, find out how the price of NEO has changed and what the technical indicators SMA, EMA and RSI show. If you are unfamiliar with the indicators, check out the explanation videos below. Looking at the NEO hourly time frame, the price moved quickly to the upside with around 4.2% in the last 24 hours, with a current price of 11.7. Nevertheless, seeing as the volume wasn't very high, meaning that the move wasn't particularly strong. Jumping to the simple moving average, or short SMA, we get it by adding the close prices for a certain amount of candles and then dividing it by the number of candles. We usually calculate the different SMAs by taking the last 20, 50, 100 and 200 candles. It is possible to determine if there is an upward or downward trend by using the SMA lines. They can also show the resistance or the support levels. By crossing one of them, it could signify a trend in the corresponding direction. If we now look at the current hourly simple moving averages, the current price is above all simple moving averages for this time interval, which looks bullish, and it is to watch if the closest SMA, the 50 SMA, could hold support or the price will break it to the downside below the current price of around 11.5. Looking at the hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 11.2. Nevertheless, a trend change can be expected owing to the ribbon being compressed, which means that the trend is currently not very strong. Usually, when the price moves to the side, the ribbon is less reliable. Jumping to the hourly relative strength index, the current hourly RSI is at 59, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Moving to the 3-hourly simple moving averages, the price crossed the 20 SMA upwards, but the volume wasn't very high, which means it is not a very strong signal. The current price is between the 20 and the 200 SMA. If the price bounces off the 20 SMA, which is currently at 11.4, it could be seen as a support, and the 200 SMA that is at 13.4 could be seen as a resistance to the upside. Breaking either way signals a possible further move to the corresponding direction. Looking at the 3-hourly exponential moving averages, the current price is above the 3-hourly ribbon, which is generally bullish, and the ribbon could play as a support, so it is to watch if the price could bounce off it. The current price to watch is around 11.0. However, the ribbon is compressed, which means the current trend is not very strong and a trend change could be expected. Generally, when the price moves sideways, the ribbon gets less accurate. Looking at the 3-hourly relative strength index, the current 3-hourly RSI is at 58, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Jumping to the daily simple moving averages, for this time interval, the current price is below all of the simple moving averages, which looks bearish, and you should keep an eye on the closest SMA. The 20 SMA will play as resistance, or the price will peak above the current price, which is around 12.1. Moving to the daily exponential moving averages, the current price is below the daily ribbon, which is generally bearish, and the ribbon could play as a resistance, so it is to watch if the price will bounce off it or break it. The current price to watch is around 16.2. The ribbon is relatively spread out, so the resistance should be considered. Looking at the daily relative strength index, the current daily RSI is at 41, so there are currently no signs of the crypto being overbought or oversold. Generally, the bigger time frames have a bigger impact on the price, so please keep that in mind when we show different time frames showing contrasting indicators. Also, the shorter time frames are only representative for the short-term trading. Thanks for watching. New videos are uploaded every few hours analyzing various cryptocurrencies, so be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. If there is something that you didn't understand, leave us a comment below and we'll get back to you. You should know that trading with cryptocurrencies is very risky, and these videos are only an overview of what happens with the price and a pure technical analysis without considering the fundamentals. So you should read more and make your own investing decisions. See you next time.